Well, welcome back to another how-to. Look what we've got. Hey, do you know what that is? Can you tell? Hey, guess what? Air conditioning. So this has to hook to the low side so you don't blow anything up. See? Low side. All right? So I can push it down like this and it's on there, all right? Take it off. Push it on, all right? Got a gauge, all right? So we'll show you, and then we'll show you some gauge readings. Right now we're saying that the system might be empty. We're not sure. All right, I'll show you a tag that's under the hood here that tells you how much to put in. But I also got a gauge. Got to have both. So let me get the products out and show you what we got. Got one can of this. This has leak seal in it. All right. It also has some lubricant. Always wear gloves and glasses when you use this stuff. So that's one can there. It says shake it up a bunch, so we'll get that all shook up. All right. You can see here it shows you the fluid you need, the type, and how much goes in. It says 38 ounces. All right. So you can see we've got 38 ounces in the all-wheel drive one that we have. The front-wheel drive, for some reason, takes 41 ounces. Don't ask me why. But so we got that. So let me get the rest of the supplies and show you those. Oh, the system said 38. Got a couple cans of this. All right. It's the right stuff. You can see right here it's 12 ounces. So that's 24 ounces. All right. Now, the other thing to look at is we've got this. And this says 14 ounces. This says 38 ounces. All right. So if this is 14, these are 12, all right? 12 and 12 is 24, plus 14, it's all three of these. That's all that should go in this system is these. We'll shake it up, we'll go start the car. For the way our gauge works, it's got this piece you got to remove, all right? That just keeps it clean. It says remove it, all right? We'll put that over here. What you do is you screw this on. Like that, it's seated out. Comes with directions, tells you how to do it. All right, you know you want the oil in it. All right, so it tells you right here, always wear your protective gear, shake it, put your cooling on max. I'll show you how to do that. You make sure you use the low port. That's this one. It is booby trapped. This one will not fit on this other port. It's the high side. So after you shake your can, articulate the charge hose, flow contents while charging, turn the can from 12 to 3 every 2 to 3 seconds. So we're going to be doing this, all right? That'll get some of the oils and things that are in here into there. So we'll go start up the car. We're going to start her up. So here's our air. Put that on max. So we're on max AC. We'll put our windows down. Now we can go start putting the fluid in. Gloves on. Sure we shake it some like it says. We all know should have before. Can't really see the air conditioning unit down there. It's down there somewhere. So what we're going to do is put this on here. Oh. And so once you push this on, you pull up on it. And this says you push this down, this hose down. Looks like we're getting a little pressure in there. That's an empty can. We're going to take another can. The instructions on this can says again, doesn't say you got to shake these. So there you go. You can see the green. The can is cold, all right? You can see when I push this, I don't get much difference. So do we need more? We don't know, but we're in the green. We'll unhook our can. Come in here, put our hand in front of here. Yeah, we got pretty ice cold air now, so that's a good thing. We got nice cold air coming out. So I think we got our air conditioner fixed. Cool. So we put in exactly what it said. All of our cans are empty. All right, that got us to the green. Our air is ice cold. Don't forget to put your cap on and keep this clean. Spins on. Zip. Make sure the other one's tight if you did take it off. There you go. All right, so there you go. Simple way to recharge at home. I think these were $5-6. There might be a tad left in this one, so we'll hang on to it. Sometimes they leak down, sometimes they hold it. The other two are dead empty. We're good in the green, so we're happy with what we did. We got ice cold air. Don't forget, like and subscribe. If you're not sure what you're doing here, be very careful. These do have pressure releases on the bottom. Make sure if you're buying this, you can actually buy this with this device. Came with it originally. Will come with this little piece in between like this to stop anybody in the store from accidentally shooting it off. But buy this kit, all right, you can get it at your local store. Remember, this will be set up on a newer car, so you can only put it on the right one. You got to make sure you're on the suction side. If you're not sure what you're doing, don't touch this. You can blow this can up in your hand. Gets very cold. Wear some good leather gloves. Catch you in the next video.